Hey guys, I guess the last one got cut off, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it in a separate video. Sorry about that. It says, I have prepared a 0.25 molar saltwater solution. Remember, 0.25 big M, that is the concentration, that is the molarity. Now I'm wondering how many grams of solute, that would be the NaCl. Let me do this so you guys can see it. Would I need to prepare 1 liter of a 0.25 molar solution? Okay, so let's write down what we have. Okay, we have our liters of solution and we have our molarity. So we know that big M is equal to moles divided by liter. Moles of solute divided by liter of solution. Okay, we have big M, so we have 0.25. Okay, we don't have the moles, so I'm going to leave that as MOL. And then we have a 1 liter solution. I'll leave off the unit of measurement. So I'm going to rewrite this so you guys can see it better. 0.25 is equal to X over 1. That's our equation. All right, so how do we solve for this? If you can't do it in your head, totally fine. Just do your algebraic approach. Multiply by 1, multiply by 1. One's cross off. X is equal to 0.25 moles of solute. And in this case, we are working with NaCl. All right. You may be wondering, Mr. Mitchell, why did we solve for moles? We want grams. Well, if we solve for moles, we can always do a mole to gram conversion. All we need is the molar mass. Remember, anytime you need to go from grams to moles or moles to gram, all you got to utilize is the molar mass of that specific chemical. Okay, in this case, we're working with NaCl. Okay, so let's just set up a unit conversion. I'm going to do it over here. So we're starting with 0.25 moles of NaCl. Let's get this into grams. All we got to do, 1 mole in the denominator. In the numerator, we're going to have 58.4 grams of NaCl. This can be found on the periodic table. Where the periodic table tells you the amount of mass per 1 mole. All right, so moles of NaCl cross off. Boom. Now we're left with grams of NaCl, and that's what we want. So 0.25 times 58.4, that is equal to 14.6 grams of NaCl. So in order to obtain a 0.25 molar solution in 1 liter of that specific solution, we need 14.6 grams to be dissolved. So if we dissolve 14.6 grams in 1 liter of solution, we will get a 0.25 molar solution. All right. Now, why is this helpful? This is how you prepare solutions. So when Mr. Mitchell prepares these solutions for you guys in lab, let's say it's a copper sulfide, or sorry, not copper sulfide, we worked with copper sulfate, copper 2 sulfate in our limiting reactants lab. And I wanted you guys to work with a 0.2 molar copper 2 sulfate solution. How did I do that? Well, I calculated, okay, I wanted instead of a 0.25, I wanted a 0.2. I went ahead and plugged it in this equation. Okay. Then I solved for the moles first, and then converted my moles into grams to figure out how much I needed to actually dissolve in my specific solvent. Okay, and that's how I got that specific molarity. So this is used all the time in solution chemistry in order to prepare solutions. All right, I hope this helped, and I'll talk to you guys soon.